The Service Groups tab of the service settings allows you to add groups to organize your base services. This is most applicable if you provide different types of services, or if you want to split your services into different groups for reporting purposes only. Service groups are not visible to pet sitters or clients. Another use of the service groups is to have required client fields only when clients request these services. So in this case, our overnight care group has multiple required client fields. This allows us to make these fields not required when clients are initially filling out their profile. But then once they are requesting an overnight care service, they would be required to fill out those fields, which they would do as part of the service requests. This allows you to cut down on the number of fields clients are required to initially fill out, if some of those fields only apply to some of your services. They will still see those fields when they're filling out their profile, but they will not be required to fill them out, provided you have set them as such in the client fields setting in the business settings. The last use for the service groups is to have different tabs for each of your service groups when viewing the master schedule. This is done by having service groups configured, having base services assigned to those service groups, and then on the business settings time and scheduling page, setting your master schedule tabs to service.